Hello friends, today we will learn the logarithmic differentiation. The proof is very simple. I have tried to keep it very short. Now if we have to take the derivative of this function y is equal to log of x, natural log of x, then we know from first principle of derivation that y plus partial y is equal to log of x plus partial x. So if if there is a small change in the value of x, it will cause the function y to change by a very small amount. Let's call this amount partial y. Now if we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, then it becomes something like this: y plus partial y minus y is equal to log of x plus partial x minus log of x. So this y will cancel out, and the equation will become partial y is equal to log of x, partial y will become log of 1 plus partial x over x. I've simplified it, but for explanation it's very simple. We know that when there are two functions, log a minus log b, we can write them as log a over b. That's what happens here. So I've just written this these functions as log of x plus partial x divided by x. Now if I divide by both sides by partial x, then it becomes something like this: 1 over partial x log of 1 plus partial x over x. And if on the right hand side of the equation I multiply and divide by x, then it won't change much, but it will be very useful for us. Let's continue with our proof. Now what I've done here is I've used this x over partial x, and I've taken in the exponent of the logarithm. We can do that. For example, if there is a number being multiplied by log, then we can write this as log b to a. So that's what I've done here. I've taken this partial x over x over partial x, and I've taken it into the exponent of this log. 1 plus partial x over x whole power x over partial x. Now as in my previous videos regarding limits, we know that if there is a function, if expressions of the form 1 plus n to the power 1 over n, when limit n tends to 0, they become like this. This is the formula we have already established in our limits video, so we will use this formula here. So what happens, 1 over x times this is equal to e, this is equal to Euler's e. So when log of e is equal to 1, so this becomes 1, and so the derivative of log of natural log of x is equal to 1 over x. So that's the proof.